Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Israel Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS fonts, that is enhancing web readability and brand identity. So we have choosing the right font has a huge impact on how the readers experience a website. Let's proceed. So in this aspect, we have font selection is very important. The right font can create a strong identity for your brand. So choosing a font that is easy to read is important. It is also important to choose a good color and size for your fonts. So the CSS font family property, specifies the font for an element. Tips, we have a tip. The font family property should hold several font names as fallback system. If the browser does not support the first font, it tries on the next font. The font name should be separated with a comma. Let's proceed. So we have best practice for font family. We have prioritize your font. Always start with the font you want. Include a generic fallback. Always end it with a generic family to let the browser pick a similar font in a generic family if no other fonts are available. We have notation marks for multi-word names. Note, if the font name is more than one, it must be in quotation mark like Time New Roman. Do you understand? So let's move to the next one. We have examples specifying different fonts. Specify some different fonts for 3 paragraphs. We have a paragraph and you give it 3 different fonts, which is give it a font family, Time New Roman, Times, and serif. Let's create an example. I would say font family practice. I'll give it class fonts. Good. Then let's come here. Dot font. Color of the text should be blue. And font family, we said we're going to make use of Time, New Roman, Times, and serif. Let's check it out. See what it just gave to us now. That is one type of fonts that you can use. We also have Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif. Let's try that out. Let's see how that one goes. Say Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif. It is a popular one. Can you see it just changed how Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif works as well? We also have another one, which is Lucida Console. So any type of font family you want to make use of, you can just go and search online font family and it will give you a list of fonts that you want. So CSS generic font family. In CSS, there are 5 generic font family names. We have serif fonts, that is have a small stroke at the edges of each letter. They create a sense of formality and elegance. We have sans serif fonts, have clean lines, no small strokes attached. They create a modern and minimalistic look. We have monospace fonts. Here are the letters have the same fixed width. They create a mechanical look. We have cursive, imitates human handwriting. We have fancy font, a decorative, playful font. All these different font names belongs to one of the generic font families. I hope you understand. Let's move to the next one. We have difference between serif and sans serif. Can you see how serif is? Sans serif is like normal. Serif is given this unique look. So it was styled with red. So we have a note. Computer screen sans serif fonts are considered easier to read than serif font. We have some font examples. Serif, New Time Roman, Georgia, or Garamond. We have sans serif, Arial, Veranda, or Helvetica. Monospace, Carrier, New Lucida, Console, and Monaco. We have cursive, brush script, empty Lucida handwriting. We have fantasy, that is copper plate, papier. I hope you understand. And that you can just check and search more on font family. It is really broad and you can pick any type of font you want to use. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techidrin Academy. See you next time. Bye.